Hello everyone, and welcome back to another episode of the Clinical Research Guru series. I'm Dr. Davar, and today we are diving into the fascinating world of clinical research and trials, why they are, why they matter, and how they ensure the safety and effectiveness of new treatments for patients. I would like to emphasize that the views expressed in this video are my own and do not represent any entities. Additionally, all material presented here publicly available information. So before we dive in, I would like to ask you to like this video down below and subscribe to my channel. Your support really helps me continue bringing you valuable insights into the world of clinical research. So now let's discuss this all the way from molecule discovery to human trials. Every drug that reaches the market begins as an idea, often in a laboratory where researchers identify a promising molecule that could potentially treat a disease. But before any new drugs can be given to humans, it must go through extensive testing to ensure it's safe and effective. The first step is preclinical studies or research, which involves laboratory experiments and animal studies. This stage helps scientists understand how the drug works and how it is processed in the body and whether it has any toxic effects. If the results are promising, the drug moves on to the human testing, also known as clinical trials. So there are 4 phases of clinical trials. Clinical trials are conducted in 4 phases, each designed to answer critical questions about the drug safety and effectiveness. So let's start with phase 1, which is for safety first. In this phase, the drug is tested on a small group of healthy volunteers, usually between 2 to 100 people. This is a small study usually. The goal is to determine the safest dose, how the drug is absorbed and eliminated by the body, also called pharmacokinetics, and identify any potential side effects. This is a crucial step because even if a drug showed promise in animals, humans' body can react very differently. Phase 2, testing for effectiveness. Once phase 1 proves that the drug is safe at certain doses, it moves to phase 2. Here it's given a larger group of people, typically few hundreds or in 100, who actually have the disease the drug is meant to treat. Researchers evaluate whether the drug is effective while continuing to monitor for side effects. This phase helps determine the optimal dose. Phase 3, larger scale testing. Phase 3 trials can involve hundreds and maybe thousands of patients at times across multiple hospitals and clinics worldwide. These studies compare the new drug to standard treatment or placebo in most cases, ensuring that it truly works and that its benefits outweigh the risks and harms. At this stage, data is gathered to prepare for regulatory approval by agencies like the FDA or EMA. Phase 4, post-approval monitoring. Even after approval, research doesn't stop. Phase 4 trials continue monitoring drug long-term effects in real-world setting. This helps identify any rare or unexpected side effects that may not have been detected in earlier trials and ensure the drug remains safe for widespread use. So the question is, why clinical trials matter? Clinical trials are foundation of modern medicine. Without them, we wouldn't have life-saving treatments for cancer, heart disease, or infectious diseases. They provide evidence-based proof that the drug is safe, effective, beneficial before it reaches patients. More importantly, clinical trials protect patients regulatory agency rigorous testings, ethical oversights, and strict safety monitoring to ensure that no drug reaches the market without thorough evaluation. So next time you hear about a new breakthrough treatment, remember the long journey it took to get there. Years of research, thousands of participants, and strict regulatory approvals, all to ensure that patients receive the safest and the most effective therapies possible. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you never miss an update from Clinical Research Guru series. Until next time, stay informed and stay healthy.